Hey guys, Will here, on my way to pick up my brand new paramotor. The one I chose is the Power2Fly Titan. Super excited about it because it comes with the freaking Moster 185. Hey, shout out to Darren Locklear and Alan Serrata, Carolina PPG. Man, I wanted my new motor here in time to fly the Purdin fly-in, and somehow they got it here in like 2 freaking days. Got a lot of work to do though in a very short period of time to do it in, because the Purdin fly-in's this weekend. If all goes well, I'll be hitting the road to Purdin's. I'm a little nervous though about the transition from the Atom 80 to the Moster 185. The Moster's got more power, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to manage it. So I'm gonna go 4 minutes at 4,000 RPM. No. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 minutes at 4 minutes at 40. I can't remember now.
Just go for it.
Boy, I sure hope he can handle that power. Guess not.
Been kind of rainy on this journey. This is the remnants of Hurricane Ida. Blue sky. Sticks out like a sore freaking thumb.
So does that.
Large Oreo blizzard, please. We made it to the West Virginia Turnpike.
Hello, how are ya?
Check out this dude's paramotor. I don't use gravity, I use the motor to get me airborne. Yeah.
Okay, so you just run and
that's it.
Give her a jump and away you go.
Yeah. Just run into the sky.
Do you fly that thing?
No, this is my burger. See you later. Alright guys, made it to Dave Purdin's. This is the field behind me, and yeah, I'm impressed. This is my first time here. It's a wide open space and you know, plenty of clearance. Just on this side of that ridge, that's where the Ohio River is, and yeah, no foot dragging the river. It's gonna be a nice turnout. They had capped it at 150 pilots. I think they're up to 182. So here's my setup. I'm roughing it this go around. Paramotor, fuel, generator. We got dinner cooking over here.
Some pork loin wrapped in bacon.
Gonna get a good night's sleep, take a shower in Shane's famous shower setup, and hit it hard tomorrow. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
So, what state is first in flight?
The license plate actually sums it up really well. So, North Carolina first in flight. This was the spot and the environment that the Wright brothers needed to fly, and it was where their first successful flights happened. They were from Ohio, but their ideas came from North Carolina. This is where the first flights happened. I think the license plate sums up pretty well.
What a weird dream.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I woke up to the sound of running generators and 2-stroke motors. Just like any other flying I've been to, you don't need to bring an alarm clock, man. You're gonna wake up, I guarantee it. Check out my tent. I mean, what a freaking mess. I'll get things sorted out. I guess I was more excited about flying than anything else. Let's see what's going on outside.
Hi
everybody in flight, man. Got my buddy TikTok Tulo here, just hanging out, braving the elements. Flying Flamingo Jade here. Sean Nasker, what's going on, man? What's up, cat?
Oh, famous TikTok Tulo.
Hey, Ben. Man, that thing is wild.
It's really high tech.
It'll go like 70 mile an hour if you hang on.
Are you kidding me?
Oh.
That's unreal, man. Got Parajet in the house. What's up, guys? You holding the porta potty up?
Third wheel drive, baby.
Tow service.
I was gonna die. I can feel it. Yeah. Yeah, we made it.
Ho, ho, bro. Ho, ho.
I got him. So here's an example of what not to do at a fly-in or when you're flying with other pilots. This guy launches, and instead of flying straight ahead or even turning at 45 degrees left or right, he immediately makes a hard right turn into the prevailing flow of traffic. Exactly opposite of what everyone else expects him to do. But that's it, guys. That's the 2021 Dave Purdin fly-in. It was an adventure. If you haven't been, I'd recommend it, with the caveat that if it rains, you bring your mud boots because you're gonna need them. Next, I'm gonna stop by the Wright Brothers Museum in Dayton, Ohio. After that, I'm gonna hit a family farm in southeastern Ohio and hopefully get to fly out of a grass strip there on the farm. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, ciao.
Just run, give her a jump, and away you go.